Symphoni achieves high speeds and still offers incredible flexibility, all without giving up quality or efficiency. A key part of this is Symphoni's offline simulation tools. These are used to create configurations specific to each application. Predefined templates are populated to coordinate and visualize all motion profiles to create ECAMs, scheduled outputs, and receiving input windows. The resulting ECAMs can be digitally adjusted so that changes to one motion will have no effect on other motions. 3D SolidWorks animations can deepen understanding of the system before physically creating it. This streamlines development and helps eliminate variation. Offline simulation tools reduce the risk of redesign and rework. They shorten integration and testing periods, which ultimately results in faster time to market. The tools allow the user to model new applications while the same Symphoni asset is running other production lines. Symphoni's offline simulation tools provide unprecedented flexibility and machine utilization. They are what a piano is to a composer, the chance to write and play music before trying it out with a full orchestra, or even rewrite that music while the orchestra practices next door.